This is my top 3 businesses to start in 2023. Number 1, start a content marketing agency. Now, this is a different agency than everybody telling you to create. I'm talking about content marketing, redistribution, every platform, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube. Literally go into a business, help them come out with a content strategy, help them implement it, help them give you a budget to go and disseminate and create content, use different content creators to help you put the content together, and then also have them pay you to edit it, chop it up, and distribute it across every platform to increase their engagement cross-platform to be the omnipresence that they need to be. No, that ass for real though. This is something that every freaking business needs, and it's something that most people are not focusing on. Most people are trying to get you to be a social media management agency where you're replying to comments and engaging. No, you don't need none of that, okay? Businesses need content in 2023 more than ever. It's super important to grow. And if you can really master the art of helping people create content around their business, help them get it shot, get it edited, and then post it for them, you're going to make a lot of money in 2023.